Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to show you guys how you can use Revit. Now, you can't save with Revit, but I'm going to show you how you can use Revit, play with Revit, learn Revit without spending $347 a month. If that sounds interesting to you and you want to download Revit and play with it, I'm going to show you how to do that. Well, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so what do we do now? How do we do this? Well, what I want you guys to do is go to Autodesk's website here. You're going to see, just look up Revit on Google, go to the Revit page, and it's going to look something like this, depending on your area. I'm in Canada, so it's going to show me this. And it's going to show you the absolutely insane price you got to pay. If you don't want to pay that insane price, you just want to use it for education and learning the program, simply click download free trial. This is going to bring you through a bunch of prompts, and I'm going to speed through this, download the program. So just follow the prompts here. Put in your email address on the next page. It's then going to ask you for what are you using it for. Just say home use or something like that, because that's what you are doing it for. And then we will take it from there. All right, guys, so once you have filled out the form, you've put in your information, you're going to be brought to this right away. It's the trial intake. You're going to have 30 days to use Revit for free. So you can download files, you can save your files, you can do everything like that. But this tutorial isn't technically about that. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a minute. So what I want you to do is actually go and just install Revit, download it, and then we're going to get into it in a minute a little later on. All right, so once you have Revit installed, feel free to keep using it for 30 days. You can save projects, do whatever you need to, but once that 30-day free trial is done and you're like, well, I don't really want to spend $300 a month just to learn how to use Revit, then there's no problem with that. You can absolutely still do that. So what I want you guys to do is go to your search bar. So just go to your Windows search bar, type in Revit Viewer, and you're going to see right here, I have Revit Viewer 2026. It's going to be dependent on the version of Revit you have. So if you have 2025, 2024, just type in Revit Viewer and it'll still show up, but with your version on it for the year. So in this case, what I would do is I would click Revit Viewer, it would open, and it'll bring you to this screen here that I have open. What we have here is we have the full functionality of Revit, but it's missing one massive feature, and that's saving. You can't save any projects. You can only view projects and work on projects. So, well, that's what Revit Viewer is for. It's for viewing projects, and if you need to make adjustments, you can. But it's ideal for learning Revit. If you don't need to save any projects yet, it's perfect. So all you do is click New. You open it like you would a standard Revit drawing. Click the architectural template. It'll bring it up. It'll load it. And you're going to see we have all the tools we need. We have architectural, structural, steel, precast systems. Everything's here that we need to start drawing in Revit and to start learning Revit. And we don't have to pay a penny for it. So the reason you go through the 30-day free trial is so you can actually download it and get this version. Because if you can just do it online, but doing it this way just gives you the full power of your computer. So guys, hopefully this was helpful and a great video. If you're learning Revit or trying to get into learning Revit, then I've got another video for you. Go check it out. It should pop up right now. It is the Revit for Beginners video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.